In Augsburg, Heavydrive set 6 glass panes for a glass partition. Due to the narrow accesses, it is not possible to transport the equipment in the building. Therefore, the pane is temporarily removed on the first floor. The team uses the MRK 144 crawler crane to transport the MRK 55 mini crane through the opening to the site. The crane has non-marking tracks and is electrically driven. This makes it perfect for indoor use. The crane lifts the 1.25 by 4.4 meter glass pane onto the first floor. The MRK 144 has a lifting height of 15 meters. Aided by the Heavydrive assembly jib, the operator steers the glass element through the window opening with millimeter precision. There, the pane is securely set down on the HDL 500 glass transport trolley. The compact MRK 55 mini crane, in combination with the VSG 450 KL4 suction system, safely suctions on the glass pane. The crane has a load capacity of 1 ton. No problem then to lift the 325 kilogram glass pane, swivel it through 180 degrees, and rotate it through 90 degrees. The operator accurately steers the pane to the ceiling rail via remote control. Once in place, the glass element can be weaved in and set down safely with just a few simple steps. The 4 wall panes and 2 skylight panes are securely positioned, placed in the U-rails within the day.